Guys, are you ready to score 30 plus? So let's begin. The exchange of gases between the blood and the body cells is known as internal respiration. Which part of the respiratory system is responsible for producing sound? Larynx. The C-shaped rings of cartilage in the trachea serve to keep the airway open. The serous membrane that directly covers the surface of the lungs is called visceral pleura. The actual sites of gas exchange within the lungs are the alveoli. During inhalation, which of the following occurs? Diaphragm contracts and flattens. The muscle responsible for initiating the peaceful inspiration is the diaphragm. The volume of air inhaled or exhaled during resting is called tidal volume. Maximum air exhaled after deepest breath is vital capacity. Oxygen is primarily transported in the blood as oxyhemoglobin. The majority of carbon dioxide is transported in the blood as bicarbonate ions. Which of the following is a part of the upper respiratory tract? Larynx. The most important chemical regulator of respiration is the concentration of carbon dioxide in blood. The structure that seals off the larynx during swallowing epiglottis. The region of the pharynx that serves as the passageway for air only nasopharynx. The function of the nasal concha is to warm or filter the air. The condition characterized by the destruction of the alveolar walls emphysema. A protective substance produced by the alveoli to reduce surface tension surfactant. Which part of the brain controls breathing? Medulla oblongata. The right lung is divided into and the left lung into 3 and 2 lobes. The trachea branches into the right and left. Primary bronchi. The amount of air that always remains in the lungs and cannot be voluntarily exhaled. Residual volume. The pressure in the pleural cavity is normally variable and unpredictable. The respiratory zone of the respiratory system includes all except respiratory bronchioles. Intrapleural pressure is always negative. The vocal cords are located within the larynx. How do the lungs stay inflated? Due to negative pressure. What is the common passage for both food and air? Pharynx. What is the primary muscle used for breathing? Diaphragm. Which cells are responsible for producing surfactant? Type 2 pneumocytes. What is the term for the movement of air into and out of the lungs? Ventilation. Which condition is characterized by the damaged alveoli and breathlessness? Emphysema. Which structure is responsible for filtering, warming, and humidifying air? Nasal cavity. Which structure is responsible for protecting the lungs from injury? Give answer in the comments.